A powerful air fryer isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a complete cooking upgrade. The right air fryer can turn everyday meals into crispy, golden, restaurant-quality dishes using little to no oil, saving you time, energy, and effort in the kitchen. But with dozens of models claiming faster heating, better airflow, and perfect crunch, choosing the right one can feel confusing and frustrating. That's exactly why we've done the hard work for you. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 best air fryers, carefully selected based on real-world performance, capacity, versatility, ease of use, noise level, and long-term durability. Whether you're cooking for a busy family, meal prepping for the week, or simply want healthier fried food without sacrificing taste, this list has something for you. Important tip before we start. Make sure you check the best deal links in the description below. Those links take you directly to the latest Amazon discounts and updated prices, so you don't overpay for the same air fryer. Now let's jump straight into the countdown. Number 5. Gourmet 17-mode quick cooking air fryer oven. A true multitasking machine designed for modern kitchens that demand speed, versatility, and reliability. This air fryer oven isn't just about frying, it's built to replace multiple appliances at once. With an impressive 17 preset cooking modes, including air fry, bake, toast, roast, broil, dehydrate, and reheat, it gives you complete control over almost any recipe you want to make. Powered by a 1700-watt heating system, this unit delivers fast, even cooking using advanced 360-degree airflow technology. That means your food cooks evenly from every angle, producing a crisp exterior while keeping the inside juicy and flavorful. Despite its compact countertop footprint, the interior capacity is surprisingly generous. It can easily fit a 12-inch pizza, up to 6 slices of bread, or a full family-size meal, making it ideal for both everyday cooking and quick snacks. One of its standout design features is the single-pull French doors, which not only look stylish, but also make accessing food safer and easier, especially when your hands are full. The intuitive digital control panel allows one-touch operation, while manual time and temperature adjustments give experienced cooks the flexibility they want. Gourmet also includes essential accessories like a fry basket, baking pan, oven rack, and crumb tray, so you're ready to cook right out of the box. This air fryer oven is perfect for anyone who wants maximum functionality without cluttering their kitchen with multiple appliances. Best for busy households, beginners, and anyone who wants an all-in-one countertop cooking solution. Downside? The learning curve may feel slightly overwhelming for users who prefer ultra-simple controls. Number 4. Emeril Lagasse Multi-Purpose Air Fryer. At number 4, we have the Emeril Lagasse Multi-Purpose Air Fryer, a premium-feeling kitchen appliance built for families and serious home cooks who want capacity, consistency, and style. This unit combines air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, dehydrating, and toasting into one powerful machine, making it an excellent upgrade for kitchens that handle frequent meals. One of the most appreciated features is its dedicated toast function, which automatically shuts off when the timer ends. The smart color-coded indicator light turns red while cooking and blue when finished, eliminating guesswork and preventing burnt food. Internally, the dual-speed fan system circulates superheated air at high speed, delivering evenly cooked food with a golden, crispy finish every time. With a massive 26-quart capacity, this air fryer is built for families of 4 to 6. It can handle a 12-inch pizza, a 6-pound rotisserie chicken, or multiple trays of food at once, making it ideal for batch cooking and entertaining. The stainless steel exterior adds durability and a premium look, while the French-style doors offer smooth, one-pull access. An interior light allows you to monitor your food without opening the door and losing heat. This model is perfect for anyone who wants both performance and presentation, combining powerful cooking technology with elegant design. Best for large families, entertainers, and anyone who needs high capacity with premium build quality. Downside: takes up more counter space than compact air fryers. Number 3. Cosori Turbo Blaze Air Fryer. Coming in at number 3 is the Cosori Turbo Blaze Air Fryer, one of the most technologically advanced air fryers available today. Designed for speed and precision, this model features Turbo Blaze technology with a 3600 RPM high-speed fan, capable of reaching temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows food to cook faster while achieving a deeper, more satisfying crunch. What sets this air fryer apart is Cosori's 5-fan speed heating system, which works alongside precise temperature control from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This level of control ensures consistent results across a wide range of foods, from crispy fries to tender meats and even delicate baked items. The 6-quart square basket provides plenty of cooking space while maintaining a compact countertop design. Durability and convenience are major strengths here. The premium ceramic-coated basket and crisper tray are non-stick, heat-resistant, and incredibly easy to clean. Noise is also kept to a minimum, operating at under 53 decibels, even at high fan speeds, making it one of the quietest, powerful air fryers available. If you value speed, precision, and quiet operation, the TurboBlaze delivers across the board. Best for tech-focused users, families, and anyone who wants faster cooking with precise control. Downside, higher price point compared to basic models. Number 2. Chefman Air Fryer Oven. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Chefman Air Fryer Oven, a true all-in-one countertop powerhouse built for versatility. This appliance handles air frying, baking, roasting, dehydrating, rotisserie cooking, and reheating, making it a complete cooking station in one sleek unit. Its rapid air heating system eliminates the need for preheating, allowing food to cook faster and more evenly than traditional ovens. Health-conscious users will appreciate that it uses up to 98% less oil, delivering crispy textures without unnecessary fat. With 17 built-in presets and a responsive touch control panel, it's beginner-friendly while still offering flexibility for experienced cooks. The 10-liter extra-large capacity is ideal for families and meal prep, easily fitting whole chickens or multiple trays of food. The interior light and oversized viewing window make it easy to check progress without interrupting cooking. Included accessories like airflow racks, a rotisserie spit, drip tray, and retrieval tool ensure you're fully equipped from day one. Best for families, meal preppers, and users who want maximum versatility. Downside, larger size may not suit very small kitchens. Number 1. Instant Pot 6-quart Air Fryer. And finally, our number 1 best air fryer is the Instant Pot 6-quart Air Fryer, the perfect balance of performance, simplicity, and reliability. This model offers 6 essential cooking functions: air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and reheat, covering nearly every cooking need without unnecessary complexity. Thanks to its even crisp technology, this air fryer delivers consistently crispy results using up to 95% less oil. Temperature control ranges from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you precise flexibility whether you're crisping fries or gently dehydrating fruit. The intuitive touchscreen with one-touch presets makes operation incredibly straightforward. The 6-quart capacity is ideal for families, easily handling multiple servings at once. Cleanup is effortless thanks to the non-stick dishwasher-safe basket, and the stainless steel exterior adds durability and a premium finish to your kitchen. This air fryer stands out for delivering consistent results without overwhelming the user. Best for families, beginners, and anyone who wants reliable performance with minimal effort. Downside, lacks some advanced customization features found in premium models. That wraps up our complete breakdown of the top 5 best air fryers. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen, eating healthier, or simply saving time on daily meals, one of these air fryers is guaranteed to fit your needs. Don't forget, check the best deal links in the description to grab the latest discounts before prices change. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Comment below and tell us which air fryer you're choosing, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our future kitchen gear reviews and buying guides. See you in the next video.